Logical morning, everyone. Time for some vocabulary words from the Hindu. Number one, forerunner. Something that goes before or informs or announces the coming of another. Meaning, कुछ ऐसा जो आगे होने वाली चीज़ की information दे. For example, I had that strange feeling that is a forerunner to a cold. Meaning some symptoms that are probably telling you that you are going to have a cold. Second, engulfed, to cover something completely. For example, the dense fog that engulfed, that covered the national capital has caused delay in flight operations at the Indira Gandhi National Airport. Next, sovereignty, meaning to exercise the supreme power, that is freedom from external control. For example, it is time to reclaim the sovereignty, the ultimate power to decide for ourselves. That is all for today. Stay logical.